Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lifelong English Learning Academy. In this video, you will find all the vocabulary and expressions you need to go to a supermarket or grocery store. You will find necessary item names, aisle names, or how to ask questions in this video. I did my best to put together everything you need in this video. If you are ready, let's start. First, you need a shopping cart. Please grab a shopping cart or a basket to carry your groceries. Aisle. Aisles are organized by categories of products, making it easier for customers to locate items they need. A long walkway between shelves where products are displayed. Let's walk between aisles to explore all the different products at the store. Shelf. The plural form of it is shelves. Shelves are used to organize and showcase various items such as groceries, snacks, household goods, etc. Can you reach for that box of cereal from the top shelf? Produce. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and fresh herbs that you can find in grocery stores or markets. I always make sure to buy fresh produce to prepare healthy meals. Let's look at some fruit names and practice them together. Apple, banana, orange, grape, strawberry, pineapple, mango, kiwi, peach, cherry, pear, blueberry, raspberry, plum, lemon, lime, avocado, papaya, fig, grapefruit, cantaloupe, coconut, passion fruit, mandarin, guava, dragon fruit, lychee, persimmon, pomegranate, cranberry. Now let's look at the vegetables. Carrot, broccoli, spinach, tomato, potato, onion, bell pepper, cucumber, lettuce, cauliflower, zucchini, eggplant, pepper, peas, celery, radish, kale, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, green beans, beet, mushroom, artichoke, cabbage, leek, squash, pumpkin, turnip, okra. Now, let's learn about some fresh herbs. Basil, parsley, cilantro, mint, thyme, rosemary, sage, dill, chives, lavender. Our next stop is dairy aisle. Dairy products are milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, and other dairy products. These are different types of milk. Whole milk, low-fat milk, skim, non-fat, or fat-free milk. They are all same. There is also non-dairy milk, which is also called as plant-based milk. These types of milk are almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk, oat milk. Some other dairy products are salted butter, unsalted butter, margarine, buttermilk, cheese, yogurt, cream cheese, kefir, eggs, creamer. Let's move to another aisle. Meat and seafood aisle. Meat products are beef, chicken, pork, ground beef. Poultry products include chicken, duck, turkey. Seafoods are salmon, shrimp, mussels. Let's explore another aisle. Frozen food aisle. Frozen pizza, frozen vegetable, frozen fruit, ice cream, French fries. Bakery aisle. Bread, rolls, bagels, cakes, cookies, pastries. Cereal and breakfast aisle. Cereal, pancake mix, oatmeal, syrup, jam, granola bars. Snack aisle, chips, pretzels, crackers, popcorn, nuts, candies. Beverage aisle, water, juice, soda, tea, coffee, energy drinks. Canned goods aisle, canned soup, tomato sauce, beans, corn. Condiments aisle, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, pickles. Pasta and rice aisle includes pasta, lentil, rice, grains. Household and cleaning aisle, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, paper towel, laundry detergent, dish soap. Household items. Personal care aisle includes shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothpaste, deodorant, toothbrush. Health and wellness aisle, vitamins, supplements, first aid supplies, over-the-counter medications. Additionally, there are some other vocabulary terms you need. Checkout means the area of the store where you pay for your groceries. Cashier is the person who operates the cash register and checks out customers. Label is the information attached to a product indicating its contents, price, etc. Price tag means a tag showing the cost of a product. Sale is a special offer or discount on a product. Receipt means a paper document showing items purchased and their prices. Specials are the products offered at a reduced price for a limited time. Organic means products grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Expiration date is the date when a product is no longer safe to consume. Weight means the measure of how heavy a product is, often indicated on packaging. In American grocery stores, weight is typically measured using the United States customary units, which include pounds, lbs, and ounces, oz, for smaller quantities. Here's a breakdown of common weight measurements used in American grocery stores. Here are the equivalents between pounds, ounces, pints, and kilograms. 1 pound equals to 16 ounces. 1 pint equals to 6 fluid ounces. 1 pound equals to about 450 grams. 1 kilogram equals to about 2.2 kilograms. Quantity is the amount of a product you wish to purchase. Brand means a specific company's name under which products are sold. Discount is a reduction in price offered on a product. Loyalty card is a card that offers discounts or rewards to frequent shoppers. Let's hear some example conversations from a grocery store. Asking for help.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the bread is?
Sure, it's in aisle 3.
Asking for discount.
Do you have any specials on fruit today?
Yes, we have apples and oranges on sale at the front of the store.
Finding a specific item.
I'm looking for organic bananas. Do you have any?
Yes, they're over by the regular bananas in the produce section.
Checking for freshness.
Can I see the expiration date on this milk?
Of course, here it is.
Choosing between products.
I'm not sure which brand of pasta to get. Do you have any recommendations?
We have a lot of great options, but this brand is currently on sale.
Special requests.
Could you please weigh out a pound of ground beef for me?
Absolutely.
Using self-checkout.
Can I use the self-checkout lane?
Yes, of course. Just scan your items and follow the prompts on the screen.
Paying and leaving.
That's all for me.
Hi. How can I help you today?
I'd like to pay with a credit card.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching it. For more videos, please subscribe.